I've just unboxed something that was sent for my review. This is an electronic dartboard. Super, super cool. So much to unpack actually and explain. But this thing is full of features. Now, the first thing that I want to show is the actual board because it's actually gorgeous. It is plugged, it comes with the wire. It is a USB wire that you plug into the wall. It does come with the hardware to actually hook it up to a wall as well, which is nice from the back. But the whole thing, it's pretty light despite being completely computerized and digital on this side. And why is it digital? Because it will give you audio feedback, which you will hear in just a second, and also color feedback and a scoreboard, automatic scoreboard. Because if, I've played darts a lot, and if you're at that bar, you know, with the chalkboard going like, yeah, I think I got 62, and and then you do all the math. No one wants to do math when you're playing darts. I just want the computer to do that for me, and it does it perfectly. The other cool thing, and I'm gonna turn it on right now. I hope you heard that because that's pretty cool. I feel like a champion already. So the numbers light up, so that's a pretty cool thing. The pads are really, really nice. So nice and strong actually. So you know it's going to stand the test of time, obviously. The really cool thing are the games. So I can actually...
301.
I can play 301 just with the press of a button and determine which players I'm playing with. I can play by myself, of course, but I can add players to play with. And the really nice thing is that they give you 4 different sets. You have to build them, of course, and I just did right here. Really nice darts made for, with that pin right here, made for these types of boards with those, those kind of like entry points. So that pin is right here and it's interchangeable. Why? Because, you know, after a few hundred throws, maybe 1,000 throws, this might actually bend a little. Well, don't worry because they give you 100 more to actually change. That's pretty cool. You're never gonna run out. Love that. They even give you the little gaskets too that go onto here to make sure that your dart is properly tightened and will fly straight and narrow. Love that. And the other thing too that's really cool is that you could see the blue here, but the other players will be different colors as well and different designs. I think that is gorgeous, super, super cool. Yeah, love that. You don't have to tell your friends to bring their own darts. You have enough darts for everybody. And how this works really, it's so simple because once a player will actually hit the board, it will actually count the board, count onto whether you're playing 301, 501, or what have you. And in this case, we're gonna have to start the game because I didn't even put start on it. And now we're gonna say player 1 go. And check this out. It tells me player 1 is red. 17, boom, we got the 17. 501 minus 17 is indeed 484. No more math, thank you so much. And I love the fact that player 2 would be a different color and it will tell you. So there's no more confusion. And you can see how easy that dart is actually, look at this, actually stuck there. I actually have to take it out because once it's in, I just did it too. That's not what I wanted to do. But yeah, and if you don't know how to play the game of darts, because there's so many different variants, this manual, thick manual in so many different languages will explain every single mode you can play. This thing is great. Should be at every party you host this year. Definitely check it out. And with everything that it comes with, you don't have to get anything else.